How much does an electrician make in Bangladesh? On average, an electrician in Bangladesh earns around 2,200 US dollars a year as an average annual gross salary. After tax, this drops to $2,100, which means your take-home pay adds up to roughly $175 a month. That's for the whole country, but big cities like Dhaka pay noticeably more. In Dhaka, an electrician's salary in Bangladesh can reach $2,500 after tax, so you'll bring home about $208 monthly. Even though living outside the capital leaves you with lower electrician wages, cheaper living costs usually balance it out. Starting pay sits well below that national average, but your electrician income goes up fast as you gain experience. Without moving into supervision, though, your pay eventually plateaus. Having a university degree isn't required for basic work, but it helps you earn higher average electrician pay. It also helps you move into better roles, such as electrical supervisor or maintenance engineer. On top of that, international employers pay substantially higher than small local firms. So if you want to know how much does an electrician make in Bangladesh overall, the employer type makes a huge difference.